just going to fill in my hairline. Yes, I said fill in my hairline because I like it if my hair is slicked back. I like to. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing a Kim Kardashian inspired quick weave. The reason why I did quotations around quick weave is I don't really know how to braid. I maybe can do like a little twist or something, but yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do this style. I'm gonna put an inspiration picture up for you guys to see what kind of style that I'm doing. But yeah, let's get into the video. So the first thing that we're going to do is, my hair is not clean, but it's not dirty. I washed it and then I put it in like a sleek ponytail. That's why it's kind of greasy a little bit, but that's okay. So the first thing we're gonna do is section off of our hair, off the top part. Now this style, I'm not like a big perfectionist about a lot of things, and this part doesn't have to be super perfect because the hair is gonna cover it, but we're just gonna part the hair half up, half down. While I'm doing this, I wanted to apologize to y'all about my loud ass music in my last video. Y'all were like really getting on me about that, and I'm so sorry. Sometimes when I edit late at night, I don't have the volume all the way up, so when I put on the background music, it just I guess I just didn't like adjust the volume on that when I was editing. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. I didn't know I would upset you guys like that. But I personally hate watching. It's just like a personal preference for me to have music on my vlogs, because when I watch vlogs, I don't like when they don't have music on them. I kind of like it as like a TV show kind of thing. I don't know. That's just me. But I'm just making sure the lines are pretty right. I never really get this line too good, but that's okay. So I'm just brushing this all the way to the front, all the way to the front. And I think this works best when your hair is like a little dirty. I wanted to do this video a few days ago, but I had just washed my hair. This is like day 2 hair, and I have product in it from putting my hair in a slick back. So, but the back here, okay, let's talk about it. So my hair is in a bob. I don't really know how to, let me take this ring off. I don't really know how to braid, so what I do is I put my hair in a low bun. Let me rephrase that. I don't know how to braid on myself. I am a cosmetologist, guys, but some things just weren't really, some things I just didn't really catch on to when I was in school. But what I do is I just put my hair in a short, in a ponytail, a low bun, and I leave it like this. This is just kind of how I do it. I'm not saying this is how the right way how to do a quick weave, but I'm telling y'all this is how I do my quick weave. I don't really need nobody judging me. I have a wig cap. So I'm taking one wig cap, and then my ponytail, I'm just swiping it to the side like this and stuffing it in there like that. Like now that we look like your boy from Friday, it's time to draw like our little line. Now this part can be a little hard, but I always think you should just exaggerate it and go a little bit more. This is like a gold, you can use a white one, but this is a gold one. So this is kind of like our stopping point. I always have pack hair around me because I never know if I have to glue in like some pieces in the front or whatever, because I do have a bob and my hair isn't even all the time. And then pack hair, my hair is jet black, so pack hair always comes in this color. It's hard to find the bundles in jet black, so Anyways, I'm just using 2 packs. That's all you really need. I feel like this style doesn't really look good when you have a lot of tracks in your hair. So yeah, that's one thing to remember. Cheap tracks when you're gluing, for sure, because quick weaves come out like within a few days or like a week, if that. Before you glue anything, you want to make sure you're measuring it right. So you want to go from side to side and measure just like so. So I'm just going to cut that piece. And then I'm using Super Bond 30-second hair glue or whatever. I feel like all hair glue is the same. If there's another brand, let me know, but yeah. So you apply like a little layer of glue, and then you just get gluing. You just want to hold it down, or you can blow dry it, whatever, but I'm in no rush. So I finished the back. I'm gonna show you all what I have. So I still left a little part out just in case. I'd just be scared to cut, like, I don't know. I'm gonna take this blow dryer and just blow, make sure everything is nice and dry before I cut it up. And then when you're blowing this, make sure you're using it on the cool setting. So press that button right there. Done, we're going to brush out the hair. And the reason why I don't have a bump in the back is because I don't track the bump. I literally track underneath it, but when I have the bump, I just kind of go over it I go on top of it so the hair can lay down flat instead of it being on there. So I know some people like go over the bump, but I don't because I feel like it leaves a bump. So I'm just gonna cut the hair. I'm just gonna cut these caps off. Gotta be careful. Now, for the top part, I know a lot of people do the wraparound method, like braid the hair down and then wrap the tracks around it. I feel like for this style, it doesn't really work out because I feel like Kim Kardashian, her hair from the ponytail came kind of down like there. So I feel like to do that is like I just wrap the hair around the actual hair, around the ponytail. I don't know if that made sense, but that's what I do. So I'm just gonna flat iron a few pieces. straighten a few pieces so your hair can be all nice and sleek. Because since we are wrapping the hair around the ponytail, you want to make sure that your hair is pretty straight so it can blend with the hair seamlessly. I'm taking some Got2b hairspray and just spraying it around. A brush. I'm just gonna brush it up. Battery life on this camera is so low. I have to like stop and start charging the battery, but whatever. I don't want it to die again because I only charge it for like 30 minutes. But anyway, so I literally just put my hair in a ponytail at the top. So now I'm just going to start wrapping the hair around this band. The reason why I do it like this is because I like the hair just falls better when it's wrapped around the band. I don't know why it's like that, but that's just what I found. That's just how it is. So I'm just going to take a bobby pin, like so. A better one. So I'm just going to take a bobby pin, like so, and put it in. And I'm just going to keep wrapping it around, oops, this ponytail. And again, I'm not saying this is how you do it, but this is just how I do it. Just put another bobby pin. You can either bobby pin it or glue it. It's really up to you, but I'm just gonna bobby pin it because I'm just doing this for the video. And I may take some pictures, but with the sun going down, I might not have time. So this is just kind of what it looks like now. Now, as you can see, the hair kind of falls more in the front. So now we're gonna wrap this hair around so we can kind of cover up that track area. Like this. And you want to be kind of neat with this one. So the first wrap, I like to put another bobby pin on it. And then I'm going to keep going. Like that. With another spray. That's good. Yeah, that's good because we want enough to flip right there. So let's see if we can make her even. It doesn't really matter. Well, let me stop saying this. I feel like I keep saying like, oh, it doesn't matter this whole tutorial, but I just don't want y'all to overcomplicate such an easy hair tutorial. Like, it really doesn't matter. Like, this is something I'm filming, but I could have done this in like 2 minutes. Not 2 minutes, but at least like, I would say like 45 minutes. So now we're just going to kind of do it like that. Kind of flip the ends. I'm gonna do my edges real quick. I'm just gonna do 2 swoops just like the picture. Yes, I said fill in my hairline because I like it if my hair is slicked back. I like to. So I know a lot of people are gonna be like, oh, you have. I like it to look more straight. So there you have it. This is my KKW inspired half up, half down look. I think this is the easiest hairstyle you'll probably ever learn. It literally probably took, well, in real time, I feel like it would take like maybe an hour because the glue has to dry and everything, but this is one of my go-to styles. I hope you guys love this video. Let me know if it was super helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time.